Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying a few essentials, then act. First, grant microphone permission to the keyboard app so audio can reach the recognizer. Next, update the keyboard and operating system. Once done, restart the device to apply changes. If the keyboard still feels sluggish, clear its cache or data. This removes corrupted temporary files and often restores response speed. Doing these first steps removes common permission and software blockers, so the voice engine can run cleanly. Now you'll configure the voice engine so it matches how you speak. In keyboard settings, enable voice typing and choose the recognition engine, built-in or cloud. Cloud is faster but uses data. Then pick your language and dialect. Installing an offline speech pack helps when network is poor. Adjust sensitivity to reduce false triggers and toggle automatic punctuation to control commas and periods. Once configured, test with short phrases and gradually increase length to confirm accuracy and latency improvements. Finish by validating and refining performance. You'll test voice typing in a simple app, speaking normal sentences and some edge words so the model adapts. If recognition is poor, retrain voice input if available, then reset the keyboard settings or reinstall the keyboard app to remove deeper faults. If problems persist, inspect the microphone hardware and disable battery saver or app data restrictions. These often throttle audio capture or network access. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different app or external microphone to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.